In this session, let us learn about Java RegEx, regular expressions. What is a regular expression? A regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. When you search for data in a text, you can use the search pattern to describe what you are searching for. A regular expression can be a single character or a more complicated pattern. Regular expressions can be used to perform all types of text search and text replace operations. Java does not have a built-in regular expression class, but we can import the Java utility RegEx package to work with regular expressions. The package includes the following classes. Pattern class defines a pattern to be used in a search. Matcher class use it to search for the pattern. Pattern syntax exception class indicates syntax error in a regular expression pattern. See the example. Find out there are any occurrences of the word Sopakalyanam in a sentence. See here, if you write and execute this code, the output result returns yes, match found. Sopakalyanam already existed. Example explained. In this example, the word Sopakalyanam is being searched for in a sentence. First, the pattern is created using the pattern.compile method. The first parameter indicates which pattern is being searched for, and the second parameter has a flag to indicate that the search should be case insensitive. The second parameter is optional. The matcher method is used to search for the pattern in a string. It returns a matcher object which contains information about the search that was performed. The find method returns true if the pattern was found in the string and false if it was not found. See here. See the pattern method, the matcher method, and else. See the result match found. Flags. Flags in the compile method change how the search is performed. Here are a few of them. Pattern case insensitive. The case of letters will be ignored when performing a search. Pattern literal. Special characters in the pattern will not have any special meaning and will be treated as ordinary characters when performing a search. Pattern Unicode case. Use it together with the case insensitive flag to also ignore the case of letters outside of the English alphabet. See regular expression patterns. The first pattern of the pattern compile method is the pattern. It describes what is being searched for. Brackets are used to find a range of characters. See ABC. Find one character from the option between the brackets. See ABC. Find one character not between the brackets. 0 9. Find one character from the range 0 to 9. Meta characters. Meta characters are characters with a special meaning. See OR method. Find a match for any of the patterns separated by is and cat dog fish. Dot method. Find just one instance of any character. Find a match as the beginning of a string as in hello. Dollar method. Finds a match at the end of the string as in world. /d. Find a digit. /s. Find a white space character. /b. Find a match at the beginning of a word like the /word or at the end of a word like the word /b. See /uxxxx. Find the Unicode character specified by the hexadecimal number xxxx. Quantifiers. Quantifiers define quantities. Quantifier description. N plus matches any string that contains at least one n. N into n star matches any string that contains 0 or more occurrence of n. N question mark matches any string that contains 0 or 1 occurs of n. N in the closed flower brackets. N closed brackets x matches my string that contains a sequence of xn's. N xy matches any string that contains a sequence of x to y n's. N x comma matches any string that contains a sequence of at least x n's. If your expression needs to search for one of the special characters, you can use a backslash to escape them. In Java, backslash in strings need to be escaped themselves, so backslashes are needed to escape special characters. For example, to search for one or more question marks, you can use the following expression to backslashes question mark. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 45 RegEx. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java threads. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.